Today, gagawa tayo ng spam balls misubi. So, kailangan natin ng spam, cut into cubes, and then gumawa lang ako ng homemade sauce like sugar, soy sauce, and vinegar. Toast the sesame seeds. After maging toasted, fry the spam with a little bit of oil. Then, ilagay yung homemade sauce, the soy sauce, vinegar, and sugar. After that, yung rice, ilagay dun sa toasted sesame seeds and the spam. And then Kewpie, the Japanese mayo. Depende kung gaano karami yung Japanese mayo na gusto mo. And then 2 packs of seaweed. So,